figured out when I set up my live stream, I'm supposed to select that. I know I used to be able to do it because I used to do it with my other channel. Hey, hello, Ricky. How you doing there, buddy? Yeah, I just thought I'd come on a little early. I was trying to figure out my phone because it wasn't going landscape mode, on my other live streams using my phone. So I figured out how to do it. When I set up my live stream to go do this, there's a box. You click on it, and then you select horizontal or vertical. So yeah, learning move. They've changed it because it used to be if you did a live stream on your phone, just set your phone whatever angle you want, it automatically did it. But now you got to pick it. So yep, I'm a little early this morning. Unfortunately, it's like 33 degrees out, so it's cold, and we had a thaw. So I was going to go out and do a video today. Well, with a side by side or one of these and my trucks, and I don't see that happening today. It's too flipping cold to be outside where I'm at. I'm older. There's people out there that probably would go out and do this stuff in the cold weather, but me, I'm just gonna just kind of chill, you know. So, but yep, a little early. Let's see what happens here. Normally I do around 8 or 8:30, but like I said, I was just testing my live, my phone to figure out how to set it up. So, yep, the phone's a little nicer for me to do actually because I don't have to do much. I actually, I can just set it up and just handle it. And if I want to, I can set it down, lean it against something if I want to. So, whereas rather than dragging in my computer and all that in here. And plus, if I use my phone, I can do this. Watch this. See if it lets me do it. Grout tile. Oh, yeah. Oh, that sounds like fun. I never put tile in our house. I don't know. I just never got it around into that. I'm old school. I know tile's been around forever, but we, yeah. I think eventually, I'm gonna figure out some shocks for this. Either I'm gonna spring it a little higher. Wish I could put these in there, but they're too flipping long. Because then I could change spring rates and everything else. But I'd have to relocate them, and you defeat the purpose of the shocks. So on this truck, it ain't like a rock crawler. So, yep. So I got icons down the bottom. What are these? Oh, I can bring up chats and stuff. So, yep. And it has a bag-looking thing. I wonder what that is. Pin live stream. Okay. I can share it out. Trying to figure out all these little options they give you. I can, let's see here.